Hi and welcome back. Should I say welcome back to me? Yes, I am wearing the new night shirt. I was planning on having cut nuggets here, but I don't want to go get it. I'm sorry. Either way, my flash has dried. I'm starting to get a little bit annoyed with it, but I have clothes. This will be summer clothes in a pair of pants and a dress. I'm not really that into dresses. I mean, I am. I have just never been the kind of person to wear them because of reasons. Yeah, so now you also saw where it's from. Cool, cool. I'm just taking up. And we start with the dress. Oh god, like look at it. Either way, this is a 1XL dress. And I am a little bit worried how it will fit around the hip, but like with dresses, I also think that if I can't have them this summer, I will have them next summer. I'm sorry. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Wait a minute. Oh, I thought it would be a little less tight. I thought it would be a little bit more stretchy. But that's fine, that's fine. As said, if I can't have it this summer, I'll just wear it next summer. Well, here I have on top of the shoulders and here I have around the arms. And it is Lilo and Stitch. Or just Stitch. Lilo Stitch was my favorite movie as a kid. So, yeah, I'm already sold. I hope this will go fine around the hip. I really, really do. I do want to wear it. Is this thin, super cooling material? God, I sound like I'm well, you know, it's that kind of material that fits for the summer. Well, here we have. If I hold it up like this, here I have the dress, and on the top you get a little bit of frill, if we say like that. I like that. And the coloring, I mean, it's black with some dark blue, green, and stitched hibiscus flower. Yeah, I think I was right here. I think so. By the way, this will be a short review. I mean, it's only like clothes. Sorry, people, no standing more available this time. Yes, the pants are 2XL because they were really cheap. So I was like, oh well, it's just the summer. And I do have a trick for people if you don't, if you have bought like something too big or it just became too big. I might tell you guys. I didn't show you. These are harem pants. I know it's so old school and it's a peacock feathers thing. I mean, I like it. Like, it starts with some color. It's my type. Up here, I mean, it is stretchy, but it's very strong. It's very stiff. The material. It doesn't feel like soft clothing material. It's more of a bit harder, maybe like a jacket made of. I don't even remember what it's called. Google, help me. My English disappeared. Yes, welcome to life. This is the life of someone who has been out in the sun and forgot how to speak anything. Fabric. I know it's fabric. Why? Either way, this is like one of those fabric materials that you would have for a jacket that's like that's for more like spring, fall, you know, late spring, early fall, that kind of stuff. Gotta double check. That's white. See, if it has white, I'm done for. I am done for. Okay, either way, I'm gonna try on the pants first. You know, they smell, so gotta start with a smelly boy. Yeah, guys, this is like the worst angle ever, but you know, it fits nice, feels okay, goes high up. Sadly, no pockets. My other harem pants do have pockets. But it fits nice, and luckily I didn't make the mistake of buying a smaller size. So let's get on with the dress. Okay, guys, I am actually pleasantly surprised. As you can see, it fits well. It is a bit flowy. I mean, yeah, it could definitely be better on the hip. You can and yeah, I do wear shorts. Then you see me in a dress or a skirt without shorts. Something is wrong. Though I will say, like, it fits well around here. It's tight on the boobs. So if you're one of those people that have a bit of muchness up here, don't go for this. At least buy a bigger size than what you imagine. I mean, unless you're used to it. I mean, I'm not. I don't think I have that big boobs. I mean, it looks nice. I don't know if I would just wear this though. I am very self-conscious. But then again, why not? Like, it looks good. Because of the camera, the angle is a little bit weird. I don't think I can fix it though. You just have to see a little bit lower of it. But yeah, I mean, the dress is nice except for the boob. Oh god, imagine that. I have become one of those that have issue with the bust. I don't even know if it's called that in English. In Sweden we call it fist, which is the same as the it is the same as the sculptures, you know, those that are like from waist and up. And I really like it. I'm wearing a Lilo Stich dress. So. I mean, you guys probably don't understand, but I'm so happy to wear a 1XL dress. Like 2 years ago, I was 3XL, and now I'm 1XL. The hip is a bit questionable. As said, I'm in the middle of like 1 and 2XL. And with this dress, apparently my boobs are as well. Either way, like, if you like Lilo Stich, I recommend these. This one. If you like harem cams, I do recommend them as well. And they're just by normal size because, well, they function normally. And sadly, no fat nuggets. No fat nuggets today. Yeah, that's all. See ya.